Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we're going to be doing our vegan take, on the KFC Daredevil Bites. Yes, you heard it right, Daredevil Bites. So stay tuned, and it's such an easy and quick, fast food, because sometimes we just want a bit of fast food that's still healthy and tastes good. So here we go, let's get cooking. So the taste test is done. Sweet chili, the amazing mango, woo! The Asian barbecue sauce, woohoo! You gotta try this. You're gonna love it. Simple, easy, vegan fast food. You need to get on with this one. You'll love it. The kids will love it. You will love it.